Hey everybody, Cricket here with another sticker haul. This one is from a company that I PR for, Cheerful Planner Girl, and you can use my code Cricket25 for 25% off. And I got two orders, don't know exactly which one to go in order with, so I don't think it really matters. Just know that I'm obsessed with Cheerful Planner Girl and love her stuff, whether I PR'd for her or not. So let's see, the first order, okay. This was during the TPC sale. So let's go ahead with this. This is if you ordered a certain amount or if you were the first like 20 or 25 orders, I believe. Don't quote me on that, but this is a freebie that I got. It's from Sparkle Adventures. So cute. I love that little house, but then the stickers in between. Black Friday swap. That's what this one was. Sorry. This was Keep It Simple stickers. Believe, Let It Snow, Hello Happiness Co. is the company. Cute. Beyond Paper Flowers. Cute. Perfect Prince Co. Craft Penguin Planner. That little one has 2019 written across the top of its head. It says, I love you more than coffee, but don't make me prove it. Amen, amen, amen. And this one is from Playing with Pizzazz. So cute. And then Clippity Chicks went in with her and sent her some of her clips. And this is the one that I got. Is this not adorable? So cute. It's like felt Christmas tree with the glitter on it. And then the paper clip. And then there's Clippity Chicks information right here. So cute. Okay, let's see. Also, let me tell you about this. This is my freebie when you mention my name. And there's my code Cricket25 and my Instagram right there, Planner Nina. And then when you order $10 or more, I believe, you get this thank you card, and then you collect the mermaid tails, which are right here. And once you collect the mermaid tails, you get $10 shop credit. So do that, y'all. And then there it is. And then there's enter a contest for a chance to win $15 shop credit. Snap a picture of your sticker haul. Post a picture on Instagram. Use my CPG haul. Tag a Cheerful Planner Girl. One winner will be chosen on the last day of the month. So that is awesome. Okay, this was a freebie for the TPC sale. And then the next one will be January 10th through the 14th. I did TPC sale, and then Cheerful Planner Girl did the Black Friday TPC sale. So you'll see both of them in here. So this is the TPC freebie when you ordered over $10. Isn't that cute? Love it. And then got mail Christmas cards, hang lights, letter to Santa, cookies for Santa, donate a gift, make reindeer food, Christmas shopping, listen to Christmas music, watch Christmas movies, visit Santa, hang stockings, wrap presents, decorate the house, make an ornament, decorate the tree. I love this. Love this, love this. So cute. I'm going to put these over to the side for just a second. Then I ordered the Fox doing various things. Washing dishes, drinking coffee, doing laundry, sick, grocery shopping, taking out the trash, watching movies, paying bills. I mean, eating pizza. He's doing a little bit of everything. Sleeping. Love the little foxies. So stinking cute. Okay. Then I'm so excited. I ordered this. I am totally, madly in love. Oh, wait. Let me show you real quick, too. During the sale, they had TPC exclusive scratch-off cards. And you have a chance to win a shop credit. I got a shop credit on this one. It says I won. Use this code for $5 off. On this one, it just said, thank you for playing. Have a Merry Christmas. So that was pretty cool. Well, if anything else, I need to show you real quick before I see if I can get it for you real quick. Look at this. This is the bottom washi, guys. Look how cute. I am so in love with this truck anyway. And then there she is sitting on the truck with presents. You got some headers, some bow dividers, more headers, your weekdays, a TV, trash can, and a pot. Hello Weekend, laundry, coffee, and money, which I don't know what that looks like anymore because I'm broke because I keep shopping. Here are your full boxes. Look how sweet. I'm so excited. This is the most wonderful time of the year. Half boxes, some deco, some more bow dividers in your sidebar. Love it. Oh, she knew I'd be in love with this one. Then more full boxes, your headers, what to do today, and little things, to clean, dinner, remember, half box, more sidebar, more half boxes, circle, reminders, and bow. And then one of these came with the kit, and it's like snowflakes, Santa Claus, another set of snowflakes, snow globe, snowflakes, the car with presents in it, and more snowflakes. I'm a snowflake fanatic. And then here's like a countdown, but here's Christmas shopping. She put 3 of those in there. Get your tree, gift exchange, and family visits. Visit with friends. And then 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and Merry Christmas. So the countdown. She not awesome? I love it. And then I ordered a second one of these because you can never have too much of those. And then she does custom scripts as well. So I got her to make the ones that I do my PR for. So Cute Planner, Cheerful Planner Girl, Love to Plan 92. And this is for my PR book, y'all, so it helps me to remember. Sandra D Designs. And I'm showing you these because I want you to see the different scripts that she does. DEK and Fab, Plan and Go, Creative Cavern Studio. Then I got her, these were already pre-made. These are Coffee First. And then I got her to make my son's wrestling name. They nicknamed him G118. And then they're Bearcat paws. So when he wrestles, I can put those down for that. So she did a phenomenal job with this kit. I'm so excited. I can't wait to do a plan with me with that. And then I will tag Cheerful Planner Girl on that so you can see how it goes. Then this is the other order I ordered. And I love how she puts them in this plastic sleeves because a lot of my orders lately, the tear, where you tear it to rip across the big envelope, it's already been torn. And that drives me crazy. So, just saying. So I already told you about the card and posting your pictures. So there's already 2 tails for me, so I'm excited about that. I got her to make me some text clients, take home towels, because I'm a hairdresser, and buy products. So those are my reminders for that. Then she's been doing this awesome thing called Fun Friday, or here's another one of my cards. She has these where you these are $1 on Friday. And right now she's doing buy 9 on this Friday. Buy 9, get 1 free, I believe. But here is the full, you get 2 full boxes, 2 half boxes, and 2 like, they're a little bit bigger than a quarter box. But so I ordered 2 of those because I figured you can make kits out of these, y'all. Then look at that one. How cute. This was called the Christmas Bird. This one's called Winter Wonderland. Christmas Bird. Polar Bear Christmas. Then I love this. I got the blue notebook paper. Football. Craft Santa. Got 2 of him. I love this. Watercolor Christmas. There, that bug. So cute. 2 of those. Oh, I got 3 of those. I really like that one. And then the snowman, which she knows I love snowman and snowflakes, like I just said. Got 2 of those. And then the green notebook paper and the white notebook paper. So I got those. And then I got her heart flags for my rings. And then I got this kit right here. It's the full boxes with a full heart checkbox, some snowflake decos that I will be doing in my rings as well. So please go check her out. She is phenomenal, y'all. She does pretty much everything. I mean, she has it all. She has little kits, mini kits, full kits, customs. I mean, everything you might or want, need, desire, she has it. So please go check her out. Don't forget you can use Cricut25 to get you 25% off. If you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Share me, please, if you don't mind, and tag me. There might be a little gift in there for you if I pick your tag and your share, or even comment. I've been doing that. If you're making comments down below, I've been picking a comment and sending a little gift. So give me a thumbs up, and I hope to catch you back here soon. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.